Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we're always on the hunt for the best skincare tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us struggle with, blackheads. But fear not, because I've got some overnight prevention techniques that are going to change your skincare game. But before we get started, I want to tell you about an amazing resource that has helped me up my skincare game, the 100 Makeup Tips PDF book. Whether you're a beauty beginner or a makeup pro, this book is packed with insider tips and tricks to help you look and feel your best. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. All right, let's jump into our first overnight blackhead prevention technique, double cleansing. This involves using an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser to thoroughly remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your pores. By keeping your pores clean, you can prevent blackheads from forming overnight. Start by massaging the oil-based cleanser onto dry skin, focusing on areas prone to blackheads like the nose and chin. Then, rinse with warm water and follow up with a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities. Another effective overnight blackhead prevention technique is using a pore refining toner. Look for toners that contain ingredients like salicylic acid or witch hazel, which help to unclog pores and reduce the appearance of blackheads. After cleansing, apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently swipe it over your skin, focusing on areas where blackheads tend to appear. This will help to tighten pores and prevent blackheads from forming overnight. Last but not least, we have the power of overnight masks. Using a clay or charcoal mask before bed can help to absorb excess oil and impurities from your pores, leaving your skin looking clear and refreshed in the morning. Apply a thin layer of the mask to clean, dry skin and leave it on overnight. In the morning, rinse it off with warm water to reveal smoother, clearer skin. And there you have it, folks, 3 overnight blackhead prevention techniques to help you wake up to clearer, smoother skin. Don't forget to check out the 100 Makeup Tips PDF book to take your beauty routine to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.